Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a video in Inshot. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on video here, and after that you can just press on a video, press on the checkmark symbol, and after that you can just swipe to the right and press on replace, and you can just replace that video with any other video that you have on your device. And you can just simply drag basically to a section which you want to replace, and you can just press on the checkmark symbol afterwards, and you will be able to replace that video or the video section. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.